Welcome to Is TrustVault Wallet Safe? Usage Experience. Links to the TrustVault wallet and related resources are provided in the description below. TrustVault is a hardware wallet designed for users seeking a high-security solution for cryptocurrency storage. It combines the convenience of a mobile app with the safety of cold storage, making it ideal for security-conscious individuals, businesses, and cryptocurrency investors who need reliable protection for their digital assets. One of the standout features of TrustVault is its multi-factor authentication, MFA, which adds multiple layers of security when accessing or authorizing transactions. It supports two-factor authentication, 2FA, biometric login, and PIN protection to ensure only authorized users can access the wallet, keeping your private keys safe from unauthorized access. Additionally, TrustVault is built with offline storage capabilities, meaning the private keys never touch the internet, which significantly reduces the risks associated with online threats like hacking and malware. TrustVault also offers multi-signature support, which allows multiple users to co-sign transactions before they are finalized. This feature is perfect for those who want an extra layer of protection, such as families or businesses that need joint access to their funds. Furthermore, the wallet provides full recovery options, including backup seeds and encrypted backups. These backup methods ensure that your funds can be restored if your device is lost or damaged. For those who want a seamless and user-friendly experience, TrustVault offers a mobile app that connects directly to the hardware wallet, allowing users to manage their assets with ease. The app is compatible with both Android and iOS, offering cross-platform support. In conclusion, TrustVault Wallet is an excellent choice for anyone looking for top-tier security with features like multi-factor authentication, cold storage, multi-signature support, and easy recovery options. Whether you're an individual or a business, TrustVault provides the peace of mind that your cryptocurrency assets are well protected. Be sure to check out the links in the description for more information on TrustVault and its features.